The Indian Army, service before self. History of Indian Army. Before the invasion of Islam and British, there were many kings ruling their own province with their respective armed forces. However, after the invasion of British, in 1776, a military department was created within the government of the East India Company at Kolkata. Its main function was to record orders that were issued to the army by various departments of the East India Company for the territories under its control. In the 20th century, the British Indian Army was a crucial adjunct to British forces in both World Wars. 1.3 million Indian soldiers served in World War I 1914 to 1918 with the Allies, in which 74,187 Indian troops were killed or missing in action. Upon the partition of India and Indian independence in 1947, 4 of the 10 Gurkha regiments were transferred to the British Army. The rest of the British Indian Army was divided between the newly created nations of India and Pakistan. Army Day is celebrated on the 15th of January every year in India, in recognition of Lieutenant General K.M. Cariappa's taking over as the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Sir Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief of India, on the 15th of January 1949. Major operations of Indian Army. First Kashmir War, 1947. Immediately after independence, tensions between India and Pakistan erupted into the first of 3 full-scale wars between the two nations over the then princely state of Kashmir. The Maharaja of Kashmir wanted to have a standstill position. Since Kashmir was a Muslim majority state, Pakistan wanted to make Kashmir Pakistani territory. As a result, Pakistan invaded Kashmir on the 22nd of October 1947, causing Maharaja Hari Singh to look to India, specifically to Lord Mountbatten of Burma, the Governor-General, for help. An intense war was waged across the state and former comrades found themselves fighting each other. Pakistan suffered significant losses. Its forces were stopped on the line formed which is now called the Line of Control, LOC. Annexation of Hyderabad, 1948. After the partition of India, Hyderabad state, a princely state under the rule of the Nizam of Hyderabad, chose to remain independent. The following standoff between the Government of India and the Nizam ended on the 12th of September 1948, when India's then Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ordered Indian troops to secure Hyderabad state. During 5 days of fighting, the Indian Army, backed by an Indian Air Force squadron of Hawker Tempest aircraft, routed the Hyderabad state forces. Hyderabad was proclaimed part of India. Assistance during the Korean War, 1950 to 1953. During the Korean War, although deciding against sending combat forces, India sent its 60th Parachute Field Ambulance Unit to aid the UN troops fighting against the North Korean invasion of South Korea. In the aftermath of the war, an Indian infantry brigade formed the Custodian Force of India, some of whose soldiers were also part of the Neutral Nations Repatriation Commission, which assisted in the exchange of prisoners of war and was headed by Lieutenant General K.S. Timaya. Annexation of Goa, Daman and Diu, 1961. Even though the British and French vacated all their colonial possessions in the Indian subcontinent, Portugal refused to relinquish control of its colonies of Goa, Daman, and Diu. After repeated attempts by India to negotiate were spurned by Portuguese Prime Minister and dictator, Antonio de Oliveira Salazar, on the 12th of December 1961 India launched Operation Vijay to capture the Portuguese colonies, which was accomplished by small contingents of Indian troops. After a brief conflict that lasted 26 hours, during which 31 Portuguese soldiers were killed, The Portuguese Navy frigate NRP Afonso de Albuquerque was destroyed, and over 3,000 Portuguese were captured. Portuguese General Manuel Antonio Vassallo e Silva surrendered to Major General Kunhirman Palat Kandota of the Indian Army. Goa, Daman, and Diu became a part of the Republic of India. Sino-Indian War, 1962. The cause of this war was a dispute over the sovereignty of the widely separated Aksai Chin and Arunachal Pradesh border regions. Aksai Chin, claimed by India as part of Kashmir, and by China as part of Xinjiang, contains an important road link that connects the Chinese regions of Tibet and Xinjiang. China's construction of this road was one of the triggers of the conflict. In 1962, the Indian Army was ordered to move to the Thagla Ridge, located near the border between Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh and about 3 miles (4.8 kilometers) north of the disputed McMahon Line. Meanwhile, Chinese troops had also made incursions into Indian-held territory, and tensions between the two reached a new high when Indian forces discovered the road constructed by China in Aksai Chin. After a series of failed negotiations, the People's Liberation Army attacked Indian Army positions on the Thagla Ridge. As the fighting moved beyond disputed territories, China called on the Indian government to negotiate. However, India remained determined to regain lost territory. With no agreement in sight, China unilaterally withdrew its forces from Arunachal Pradesh. The reasons for the withdrawal are disputed, with India claiming various logistical problems for China and diplomatic support from the United States, while China stated that it still held territory it had staked a claim on. The dividing line between the Indian and Chinese forces was named the Line of Actual Control. Several questions were raised on the counter-attack tactics of Indian Army. Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. A second confrontation with Pakistan took place in 1965. Although the war is described as inconclusive, India had the better of the war and was the clear winner in tactical and strategic terms. Pakistani President Ayub Khan launched Operation Gibraltar in August 1965, during which Pakistani paramilitary troops infiltrated into Indian-administered Kashmir and attempted to ignite anti-India agitation in Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistani leaders believed that India, which was still recovering from the Sino-Indian War, would be unable to deal with a military thrust and a Kashmiri rebellion. India reacted swiftly and launched a counter-offensive against Pakistan. In reply, on the 1st of September, Pakistan launched Operation Grand Slam, invading India's Jambu-Jauria sector. In retaliation, the Indian Army launched a major offensive all along its border with Pakistan, with Lahore as its prime target. Initially, the Indian Army met with considerable success in the northern sector. After launching prolonged artillery barrages against Pakistan, India was able to capture 3 important mountain positions in Kashmir. By the 9th of September, the Indian Army had made considerable inroads into Pakistan. India had its largest haul of Pakistani tanks when an offensive by Pakistan's 1st Armored Division was blunted at the Battle of Asal Uttar, which took place on the 10th of September near Khemkaran. The biggest tank battle of the war was the Battle of Chavinda, the largest tank battle in history after World War II. Pakistan's defeat at the Battle of Asal Uttar hastened the end of the conflict. Sino-Indian Conflict 1967. The 1967 Sino-Indian Skirmish, also known as the Chola Incident, was a military conflict between Indian troops and members of the Chinese People's Liberation Army who, on the 1st of October 1967, invaded Sikkim, which was then a protectorate of India. On the 10th of October, both sides clashed again. Defense Minister Sardar Swarn Singh assured the Indian people that the government was taking care of developments along the border. Indian losses were 88 killed and 163 wounded. while Chinese casualties were 300 killed and 450 wounded in Nathula and 40 in Chola. The Chinese army left Sikkim after this defeat. These are some of the major operations of Indian Army, and other operations on formation of Bangladesh, Kargil War, and surgical strike will be made severally in the upcoming army videos. Please support, like and share the video. Also, please comment on the video and any other requirements in the video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.